How to reset a throttle position sensor. Modern automobiles come with sophisticated sensors for almost every system. These sensors operate at their best, but they can also malfunction and cause issues. It's crucial that you can reset the throttle body sensor if that becomes necessary. It might be challenging to identify the source of engine problems in your car. The throttle body system is just one of many parts that cooperate to provide the engine with smooth acceleration. So let's learn the steps on how to reset the throttle position sensor. 1. Detach the battery. Be sure to disconnect the battery for at least 5 minutes before moving on to the next procedure. 2. Reattach the battery. When the 5 minutes are up, reattach the battery, but don't try to do anything else. 3. Set the ignition to electric. Put the key in the ignition now and switch to electric so that your car's entire dashboard illuminates. 4. Push the gas pedal down, then let it go. First, slowly depress the gas pedal to the floor. It should only take around 4 seconds, and after the pedal touches the floor, you should leave it there for an additional 3 seconds or more. Similarly, if you depress the accelerator pedal, you should release it gradually, taking 4 seconds again. Repeat this process 3 times. 3. Turn the key to the off position. After completing the 4th procedure, you should turn the ignition switch to the off position and remove the key for approximately 10 seconds. The operation is successful if your idleness is still there. If it isn't, you might have to go through the 3rd and 4th procedures again to get it to stay stable. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.